a blind man's bluff tough. Niggas break down, this is crystal lake. You been cast to hell, cause you been calm like a stick. I'm slicky slick and slippery. Niggas can't fuck with me. Fuck the fist fight, prepare for fight night. My ill dollar days, so you better swing low. Cause all I know is gotta go, gotta go. Niggas can't play me, cause I'm not playing with that short out right to smoke punk. Who makes me unlight is a bitch, and then you die. All I'm trying to get is a piece of the pie. Life is a bitch, and then you die. All I'm trying to get is a piece of the pie. Raise up, hey you motherfucker. Buck, 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 buck. Raise up, hey you motherfucker.
Now he's out the joint and he's like flipping on kids.
Shut down, wreck the tracks at the speed of light. Beside the south with the rap back. Prepared for fight night. 9 in the clip and 1 in the chamber. Earthquake got mad right. Prepared for the danger. I strapped so much they call me 9 fingers. Honey milk up. The body good, but I fucks with the 40. Why? Because I get beats from the hoe. I bust the bitch niggas too. So act like you know. From a motherfucker roster. And some niggas laugh. It's rolling slow to your hood so I can have target practice. I drop them like fly. The element of surprise. Left 2 in the door. One between the eyes. Now I make